Alright guys, working on a selector here for the hard soft Walker Evans shock on a 2014 Polaris RZR 1000. It's a 4-seater, and so I already started. I took Allen wrench and broke this loose here, and then the problem with these is rust and everything gets in behind. So what I had to do, and I did this before to prepare for the video, I took a little screwdriver and worked it like this back and forth, and it eventually it was hard to come off, but you can see why. It's because it's all rusted. And I absolutely, with this on right now, cannot turn it either way. It'll move maybe like an 1/8 of an inch. It won't work. So I'm going to attempt to take some lubricating spray, and I'm going to use WD-40, but probably PB Blaster would be better. And I'm going to just spray it on here liberally, and I'm going to let that sit for about 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll get back and see if we've done any good. Okay, we're back now. That's sat and lubricated a little bit. Now I can't, it's still kind of froze, so I'm going to take a piece of cardboard here. Bear with me a second. Okay, got a piece of cardboard. I'm going to set it here like this, and I guess set the fan down to grab the wires. Alright, so what I have done, I've taken a set of channel locks, put it on the cardboard so I don't mess up the threads for the turny thing, and I'm going to work it back and forth. Oh boy, there it goes. Oh yeah, like butter. Sweet. Alright, well, let me get this stuff off and we'll install our button, or our selector, and we'll see if we have accomplished our goal. Okay, now when you're putting this back on, it's very important to make sure all the threads are clean. That's clean, and when you slide this on, you want to make sure it catches left to right, and it's actually in a groove. I'm going to take your little rubber hammer, tap it on, and I'd say that's good. If we didn't get it all the way, the screw will probably carry the rest of the way. Notice I've grown a third hand. I went and volunteered my son to hold the camera. So back up there a little bit. So, oh, looky there, it's turning, so that's a good sign. So I wouldn't get too crazy with that, just snug. And it turns. It's a little stiff. Okay, actually I went ahead and took it back off and put my clamps on here with my cardboard so I don't mess the threads up. And I just wanted to show you that, look, now it is turning. Hear all the clicks, it's all the way hard. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Shouldn't it be more than that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that's weird. I got 10 and not. I thought it was like, oh wait, there, I got more action that way. That was probably what was holding us up. I need to work it more that way. Now I got 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, I can feel a hard stop there. So that would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it 12? No, I can't remember. I thought it was like 16 or something. Let's just find out. Okay, it's all the way hard. So we'll call that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 16, because I counted 1 or 0 as 1 or whatever. But anyway, so I do have a little bit to go here, so I need to find out which way that is. But it's definitely saved $900 replacing it, so I hope this helps someone. Now I'm really saying goodbye. Thanks and God bless.